No, 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 no. Gambling is there, sir. Speculation is this also. In dharma also. I think, yaar, dharma is like this. I think dharma is like this. That is also speculation. Mental speculation. You're speculating, huh? Are you not? I think religion is this. I think religion is this. I think actually you should drive on the right side of the road. No, no, no. The other one we are having discussion. We say, no, no. I think it should be on the left side of the road. No, no. I think so. We should drive on the center of the road. No, no. Sometimes on the left, sometimes on the right, sometimes on the center. Everyone will be happy. That's how the discussions take place. Right or wrong? You want to please everyone. I am insisting that we should drive on the right. You are insisting to drive on the left. And the third person is saying, no, I insist I drive on in the center. So what does the modulator do? Okay, let's not have a fight. All three are right. 5 minutes left, 5 minutes right, 5 minutes center. Hai na? That's how we come to a peace formula. Everyone is happy. Sorry. 2 into 2 is, and I don't take it as 4. 4.02. I don't agree. Right or wrong?
In this, will we say that we should not expect any results of our working, whatever actions we are doing? So in speech,
You are competing now actually. When you compete actually, you do not know the result. Competition means what? In the effort you know your result. You want to do something, you can do it. Sports, all sports is like this only. The number one also player of the world, when he is playing tennis or golf or any individual sport also, or a team sport, the top team of the world also, cannot assure that we are going to win. Right or wrong? So it is speculation or not? Because no one plays for playing, they play for, you play for losing or winning? No. If you play for playing, you will be thrown out of the team. No, the drive should be there to win. Hai na? Motivation is less. Sorry. You are speculating on the result. Maybe I win, maybe I lose. Right or wrong? So gambling is bad. So this gambling was speculation, and they indulged in cheating, and they cheated the Pandavas of their kingdom and they were exiled for how many years? 13 years.
So if we take our day-to-day life, and in that we see that I am a teacher, I am taking classes, I expect that some money should flow in.
Yes, that you know that what money will flow in. Are you in speculation? That maybe I get 1,000, maybe I get 2,000. You decide beforehand. So that is not speculation.
But
That
sometimes more students come and more money.
So that is not your work. You are not looking out for students. कि you class कम लेते हो बाहर घूमते हो. अरे यार कोई रोड पे आ रहा है आ जाओ कम.
Now it's like I am putting effort, but
बस.
somewhere down the line it's a speculation and more students will come.
Nee, that is wrong, na? Effort, you just put in your effort. Because by your thinking people will not going to come. But your work also, hard work also people are not going to come.
So all your faith, basically.
What you have done will come. It is now or previous. आज कई बार खा लेते हो पेट खराब होता है एक दिन बाद नहीं होता.
But what you are doing is your hard work. The more you do, the more you get.
हार्ड वर्क से नहीं मतलब है. Karma does not depend on hard work. Don't bring it here now. That is a different factor. When we are talking about it, introduction, we will be talking about it, we will talk about it. Hard work से कुछ नहीं होता.
In spirituality also we expect that.
Yes, hard work also not in spirituality. Hard work is done by Gada. Intellectually intelligent work. What you should do? Hard work or intelligent work? Tell me now. Doing very hard to get potassium cyanide. What does happen with potassium cyanide? Touch it and you die. You work very hard. Does it become nectar? Because you worked hard. पसीना डाला यार इस potassium cyanide के अंदर. Now it will not remain poison. Now I put my sweat into this potassium cyanide. Now it will not be Poison! It will become nectar. No! Be intelligent. Why intelligent? Keep it away. Now you need potassium cyanide as a chemical for something which a chemist goes through the hand of a chemist and then it becomes nectar. That is something different. I am not talking about that thing. That is called intelligent. Again, intelligent work. What is it called? So work intelligently. No, yes, first intelligence. First, what is there? We are also, when we are learning Bhagavad Gita, we are applying it in our life, we are working for Krishna, we are working hard. But before that, intellectually we are working hard. Right or wrong? But if you enjoy certain work, is it hard work? If you enjoy a certain type of work, is it hard work? No, hard work is only considered hard when you don't. Right or wrong? हाँ है. You sometimes you work so much because you enjoy it. And a painter, he's standing for 12 hours and he's painting. It is hard work for you, but for him, it is enjoyment. He's enjoying it. A student who doesn't want to study, it is hard work to go through 12 hours, 16 hours. But for one who enjoys it, is it hard work? Hard is defined according to your mentality. Otherwise, it is not hard. Prabhupada never said, I worked so hard.
So why do our focus should not be going back to what it's like, then go again?
No, you have to have that. Initially, you can't be such a big elevated soul that you basically start thinking, no, I'll just put in, I'm just doing devotional service. No, you will never do it. You want to leave this, you seeing this nonsense. That's why you want to get out.
And daily we are thinking.
So that's why Prabhupada named his baptism Back to Godhead. What did he name the? He says back home, back to Godhead. That is not a desire. If you want to come back home, is that? So you go out somewhere, then you say, मैं घर जाना है. बड़ी बेकार इच्छा है यार. अब इच्छा थोड़ी है. Is it a desire? It is no. You are going home. That is your natural position. You have to in the night go back home. Desire is something which actually today we talked in the morning about it. Desire is something which is not natural to you. That is that to acquire that is desire. I desire to breathe. That is natural to you. If you have got life, you will breathe. So it's natural. If you are in natural circumstances, you go out. Why do you go out? To come back home? है ना? So that's not a desire. So to go back home, back to Godhead is natural. That is our natural position. Today we are desiring to be away from Him. That is a desire. We are fighting tooth and nail to stay in this material world. We are working like asses to stay in this material world. Are we not? For all sinful activities, you have to work very hard. Remember one thing. To perform sinful activities, you have to work very hard. To gamble, you have to work very hard to get money so that you can gamble. And then you lose your hard-earned money. Vegetarian food, simple, cheap, easy to grow, everything easy. Non-vegetarian food, difficult to grow, difficult to cook because you can't eat it raw because you're not made for eating it. A tiger doesn't have to cook, a lion doesn't have to cook. Who has to cook? A human has to cook. Effort, sinful activity. No, loves का वो गलत हुई ना, सिंफुल में लव ही करते हो आप लोग, जब भी तो गधे की तरह काम कर रहे हो यहाँ उसको रखने के लिए. Expensive also. क्या वसूल होता है? कुछ नहीं वसूल होता. नहीं. For the heck of a taste, human flesh is the best in the world. Do you know that? So kill humans for taste? What is wrong? Aborted babies are the most tastiest in the world. No, sorry. That means terrorists, what they are doing is right. If they kill you tomorrow, your family member should not feel bad. No, that is in nature. That is also nature considers. No, animals have not been made for you to kill and eat. You come under the laws of nature. You are seeing your own laws of taste, but they are higher laws of nature, which have very clearly demarcated that humans should eat this, should not eat this. That is, our whole system has been made not to eat non-veg. And remember, in the material world, the most dangerous poisons are the poisons which are very tasty. Right or wrong? You enjoy, senses enjoy drinking alcohol. What do you become? You make a fool out of yourself. You spoil your family. You spoil your family.
So, what you say when non-vegetarians say that to maintain cycle we do this?
To maintain cycle. Achha, then you eat machhar also. Maintain cycle. Eat makhi also. Maintain cycle. Why of one animal? Why of 2-3 animals? Why not of every animal? You are the one who's killing birds, these sparrows. Nature is there. Leave the work to the particular person who has to do it. This is not a class on non-vegetarian or vegetarian. You want, I can give you 100 reasons. निकाल के दे देना पर्चा इनको. 100 reasons. The Western world is turning into vegetarianism. I give a simple example on this. You have to go from a place from A to B. There are two ways of going, 1 and 2. I say that number 1 road, if you go by the number 1 road, maybe there are dacoits, maybe there are snakes, maybe there are man-eaters. But on number 2, it is safe. Which one would you take? Today science is questioning time and again as questioning non-vegetarian food. Cause of colon cancer, stomach cancer. Time and again they are saying. Today science has also agreed that whatever you eat, you are. Biochemists have agreed in the United States that whatever you eat, that is the type of physical and mentality you will get. So what type of mentality from which food do you get? That are Vedas very clearly demarcate, very clearly.
Sir, but I'm really sorry to ask, but in the Vedas only, which sacrificial activities
That is not for taste. That is not for taste.
Sir, अगर वो भगवान को चढ़ाया,
नहीं चढ़ाया, किसने भगवान को चढ़ता ही नहीं कभी भी.
सर
काली माता भगवान नहीं है.
demigod,
हाँ, और वो गधों के लिए है. वो किसके लिए है? और जो उसको काटता है, हाँ उसमें कहा गया है, दिस इज फॉर द लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. इट इज देयर इन द स्क्रिप्चर्स. लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स हु हैव just next to animals, who are just to non-vegetarian eating animals, not also vegetarian eating animals. Remember one thing, vegetarian eating animals are higher than non-vegetarian eating animals. So they are on the level of just above the level of the animals, just above the level of the animals. That's why they have been treated like that. That's why when you offer sacrifice, you basically say very clearly that, hey, oh goat, in the next life I will become a goat and you become like me and you cut me and eat. Which intelligent man would do this? Tell me one thing. And that was a sacrifice. You can't eat it from a shop. You can't take it from a shop. It was licensed. We have done away with Kali. We have done away with whatever the sacrificial process are. We go directly and we eat. This is nonsense. You want to eat? अमावस्या की रात में जाओ, टेक अ फुल गोट. अब यार इतना पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? दैट इज एक्चुअली लाइसेंस मीन्स दैट द अथॉरिटी वांट्स यू नॉट टू डू इट. License means what?